When a potential customer sees that price, they hesitate. They don't clearly see why it's worth the investment. Your pricing has to match the value that you deliver. If your program promises a big transformation, the price can be much higher. But if the value isn't obvious, people will struggle to justify the cost. Athletes are used to paying for coaching that produces real results. They want to know, what will I improve? How will it improve? And they need to know how confident they can be that your program will deliver for them. The clearer the transformation is, the easier it becomes for someone to justify paying for it. If you want to sell a high-ticket product of $1,000 or more, then you need to deliver way more than $1,000 of value in your product. Now that you understand the math and value behind your offer, the next step is figuring out exactly who you should be helping, because trying to help everyone usually slows down your progress. Many creators say their content is for athletes who want to get faster, but that's extremely broad. Sprinters have different problems than swimmers. Tennis players have different challenges to football players. When your audience is way too broad, the content becomes generic and bland. And when content feels generic, it's harder for viewers to feel like it was made specifically for them. The clearer your audience is, the easier it becomes to create useful content. Instead of trying to help everyone, you can focus in on the group you can help the most. You could help sprinters improve their acceleration. Maybe you help tennis players increase their serve speed. When your content speaks directly to a specific group, then your viewers feel understood. And when someone feels like you understand their problems, they start to trust your advice. That trust is what eventually leads to your sales. The fastest way to grow on YouTube is to focus on a specific group of people you can help the most. Once you know who you want to help, the next challenge is understanding what they're actually struggling with.